This presentation is about extensive reading. Basically, extensive reading means reading a lot of books in English. Extensive reading will help you to learn English, but most extensive reading happens outside the classroom. It's important to read books that interest you. You can choose to read any kind of book: murder mysteries, horror stories, romance, anything you like. Now, you might be thinking, I'm at university. How's reading love stories going to help me? Well, this is what the research says. Students who read more are better readers. And there's lots of research that shows that students who read more read better, read faster, write better, spell better, have stronger vocabularies, are better at grammar, have more developed thinking skills, and have more world knowledge. And it doesn't matter if you're reading about the environment or business or a love story. As long as the book interests you and is the right level, you'll benefit. So, how to do it? There are 3 very important points. First, you've got to read a lot. Second, you should choose interesting books. And third, you should choose books that are easy for you to read. Some students say, "Why easy books? I'll learn more if I challenge myself." Well, no, actually. The research says to become a good reader, it is far more useful to read a lot of easy books than a few difficult ones. That's because you should enjoy the book you're reading, and you should be able to read it fairly smoothly. You shouldn't need to stop to use your dictionary too often. As your reading gets stronger and faster, you can read more difficult books. Take it one step at a time. The next question is, how often should I read? Well, the answer is, of course, every day. We recommend that you read for about 30 minutes each day. You can read before you go to sleep at night. You can read between classes, any time at all. For you as students, reading is going to be essential throughout your university life. You need to develop the habit of reading and make reading part of your daily routine. As I said before, the research shows that people who read more have more highly developed thinking skills and more world knowledge. So if you're not a reader yet, it's time to start. To help motivate you to read, your class is going to use an online extensive reading program called mReader. mReader is a website which helps students who are learning English all over the world. The purpose of mReader is to encourage English learners to read more because it's so important. This is how it works. You go to the university library and you choose a book from the level your teacher tells you. You read the whole book and then you take a 10-question quiz about the book. If you pass the quiz, you get points. For each word you read, you get 1 point. So if you read 2,600 words, you get 2,600 points. If you read 14,750 words, you get 14,750 points, and so on. You'll have your own web page on the mReader website so you can check your progress. On your web page, you'll see your reading goal. How many words you need to read to get 100% for extensive reading. You'll also see 3 deadlines. That's the dates you need to finish your reading by, and how many words you should read before each deadline. For example, this student has to read at least 20,000 words each month. If you read enough to pass the deadlines and you pass the tests, you'll get 100% for extensive reading. So, here are the details about mReader. Your teacher will give you your username and your password so you can log into your mReader web page. Your teacher will also tell you what your starting level is and how many words you need to read. Your teacher or a librarian will show you how to identify the mReader books in the Zayed University Library and where they are located. This is important because you must choose a book that is in the mReader system. You must also choose a book that is at the right level. As you can see, this book is reading level 5. You have to pass the test to get the points. So this is how the testing works. You log into your own web page using the login details your teacher will give you. Then go to View Available Quizzes at the top of the page and click. Next, enter one word from the title of the book you read into the green box and press Search. You'll then see all the books that have that word, so you need to search for your book, click, and then it asks, do you want to take this quiz now? And press OK. Once you click on OK, you have to finish the quiz within a time limit. You'll have between 6 and 15 minutes, depending on the book you read. Once the quiz closes, you will not be able to open that quiz again. If you pass the test, your web page will automatically update. If you fail the test, that test will close, so you can't try again. You will need to speak to your teacher. He or she can reset the test for you and give you some advice to help you pass the test next time. However, if you fail the test a second time, you can't retake that test. You will have to choose a different book to read. The important thing is, don't waste time. To do well on the mReader program, you need to get started and read regularly. The aim is to make reading easier and more fun for you, and to make you a better, stronger student. We hope that you will enjoy reading and enjoy using mReader. Good luck.